How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we're going to unbox and then do a full demo on the Papalook HD web camera. This one does 1080p at 30 frames per second. It's got a unique feature with a swivel head on it. So let's go ahead and unbox this and get a nice close-up look at it. The first thing you'll notice is the box is very, very tiny and small, which is really good, ships easily, and we don't have a lot of packaging to waste. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So the first thing we have is the user manual. It's a nice comprehensive user manual, but if you know anything of basic technology, you probably won't need to use this. So we'll go ahead and put that aside. Let's get a look at the web camera itself here. And there it is. We've got it on a little swivel head, which is super nice. And let's go ahead and look at it. It is USB plug-in, so we'll plug that right into any one of my USB ports. And the camera itself, the unique feature for this one is this 360-degree swivel head. So this is super cool because you can attach this right onto your monitor itself and then swivel it completely around if you want to adjust it, or if you want to face it backwards and record something behind you, you can go ahead and do so without actually taking this off of your monitor. So the super unique, really cool, good feature of this. Let's go ahead and take this little plastic protected piece off right now. There we go, love doing that, and that looks very, very nice and clean. Let's go ahead and install this on my computer. We'll do a full demo on what the video looks like, as well as what the sound sounds like, and we'll do a comparison to another higher end web camera. All right, now we are on the Papalook web camera, and we're using this camera with its built-in audio source, as well as there's no color correction or anything done to this camera. So this is exactly how it looks just right out of the box. And I must say the installation of this camera was very easy. I literally just plugged it into my computer and it auto set up on my Windows 10. So no problem with software, no drivers, no nothing. It's literally just plug and play. So that just makes it really easy. It's a lot better for setup for people who aren't as computer literate. Plug and play, you're good to go with this camera. All right, now we have switched audio sources and we're using my external microphone. This is a Blue Yeti microphone, and as you can see, the audio quality is just miles better having an external microphone source. There's literally not any webcam that I'm aware of to this day that has great audio quality out of the box, so don't expect anything fantastic from this webcam as far as audio quality. I definitely recommend getting an external microphone, and I will link this one in the description box below if you want to pick up this microphone with your Papalook webcam. All right, I've done a little bit of color correction to improve the look of this camera. You can play around with it a little bit more if you have the proper software to do so, and you can make this camera look a lot better than what the price of it really is. So play around with those color settings and adjustments depending on the program that you're on, and you can really have a great looking web camera for under $80. So it is advertised that this camera does have great autofocus, so let's go ahead and test out the autofocus. I've got a little Hot Wheels toy car right here. We're going to go ahead and just place it just right up there, and it is focusing. It's having a little bit of trouble. That's about 6 inches. Let's go about a foot away, and that seems to be about the sweet spot for it. So about 12 inches for the autofocus level, and if we go boom all the way back to me and it focuses back on me, if we go back up to the Hot Wheels car, and it does focus just on that, about 12 inches away. So autofocus, I think, does work great at that 12-inch mark. If you go anywhere closer, you can see it does struggle to get that autofocus. Not too bad, actually, that time. No, it does hunt a little bit. Might take a little bit of time, but I would say just keep it a little bit farther away. But autofocus, I think, works great, and that's fantastic for this camera. And since I do have that green screen behind me, let's go ahead and test out the green screen chroma key effect. And boom, there we go. Looks fantastic. I think it looks really good. Works really well with this camera. No problems whatsoever. So any sort of software that you have that does the green screen or chroma key effect, it works perfectly fine with this camera. And now we switch to a side-by-side comparison with the Papalook camera on the left and the Logitech Brio 4K webcam on the right. And you can see definitely a lot better picture quality with the Logitech camera, but we're comparing an $80 camera to a $250 camera. So if you do want to spend that extra and get that expensive camera, you can get better picture quality. But when it comes to just voice calls, video calls, and just basic gaming stuff, you really don't need anything fantastic. So I would definitely just stick with the Papalook web camera for basic stuff. And if you want to go into more professional stuff, maybe switch over to the Logitech Brio 4K. And that's going to wrap up this video review on the Papalook web camera. Wait. There we go. Proper audio. That's what you really need, definitely, for this web camera. But thank you very much for watching this video review on the Papalook web camera. Check out the link in the description box below for the current pricing, as well as everything that I've talked about and gone over and shown in this video will be all linked below. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.